What's up everybody? I'm here for a product breakdown. Today we're going to be talking about the SMP Aftercare Kit. Why do we need aftercare for SMP? Well, one, this is a form of tattooing, and no matter how good of work your artist does, it ultimately depends on how good you heal up for the results of your work. Your artist can do the best work possible, and if you heal up poorly, you will end up with shitty results. So we want the best results possible for SMP. You guys are spending a lot of money on this procedure, and we want to keep it looking the best as possible. First, it comes with the signature foam. So what I like about this foam is it's 0% alcohol, so it doesn't burn our clients. It doesn't make their heads red. It's an antibacterial, antiseptic for tattooing. So it's a very light cleanser to keep them clean, sterile, without the burn of alcohol. Next is the Aftercare Serum. What I love about this Aftercare Serum, this is a non-greasy serum that keeps the skin moisturized for ultimate healing without that really oily, greasy look. For SMP, we want to stay away from really greasy products. So this is going to keep the skin moisturized without all that grease for the ultimate pigment retention. If you want the highest grade SMP Aftercare Kit possible, go to taylorperry.com.